This is a brief demonstration of the new find and replace functionality released with Stella version 3.1. I have a simple SIR model here with people susceptible, infected, and immune. And I want to make a copy of this and paste it. And when I do that, of course, I get the same names I had before, each followed by the number 1. This is set up for people. Suppose I, and this is a little bit whimsical, decided I wanted to do cows in addition to people. Well, I can open the Find and Replace dialog, which is available from the Edit menu, or also with Shift plus Control or Apple, and then F, as it is in most applications. I can look for the word people in variable names and replace it with cows. And we'll see that everywhere people used to be, cows is. I have this thing checked that says drop trailing numbers. So all of the ones that used to be in the variable names are now removed, and everything is related to cows. In addition to variable names, I can also change units. So the unit of this chain is person. So I'm going to change person to cow. And it will make 3 changes. Then I will close this, and we'll see there's 1 unit warning. And I can say infecting of cows seems to have the wrong units. And if I go and look at the contact rate for cows, we'll see that it's touch per cow per day, but the infectivities of cow is people per touch instead of cow per touch. I had the word unit person in here. I replaced that with cow, but I did not replace the unit people. So this actually looks for text. It doesn't look for unit synonyms. I changed this to cow per touch, and then we're back to having no units errors. And that's really what you need to do, can do with find and replace. Thank you.